Back to Cyber for Everyone. It's been a while since I created my last video. My previous videos were more about cyber awareness and scams. Since this is Cyber for Everyone, I need to make sure that I don't leave technology people aside. I wanted to make sure that we all succeed together within this field. So today's video will focus on what's new in tech. AI? Nah. That's a thing from past. But what's new in AI is present. Last week I got a chance to look at MCP, which is Model Context Protocol, enabling AI agents to talk to the systems and provide seamless integrations. But let's make things clear. I'm not an AI influencer or advocating for AI. I just like to learn new things and mix it with what I already have. Today it's MCP, and tomorrow it will be something else that I will learn. So back to what is Model Context Protocol. To understand MCP protocol, I thought, why not ask Cloud AI, who are actually behind creating this Model Context Protocol. Simply to put, it is a standardized way for AI systems to connect and collect data from different external sources. It maintains context around all that source data. So to demonstrate the MCP protocol workings, I thought, let's integrate it with the SOC lab that I have created in past. So within my lab, just think of Cloud AI as a smart assistant for the security team. This smart assistant can actually talk every language which is related to all the systems that I have integrated. When you need to do something on those systems, you don't need to learn each and every detail. What you can do is you can simply write your system and user prompt. So these MCP integrations will actually act as a translator for my Cloud AI to the systems that I have integrated. So this is the portion of my current SOC lab, which I will use today to demonstrate the MCP integrations. So you can see that I have two endpoints deployed on Azure Cloud by the name of Agent 003 and Agent 002. These two systems are actually sending telemetry data to my EDR and SIEM server. Within that, they are also reporting all the existing vulnerabilities and MITRE framework TTPs they are exposed to. Further, I have a Zira, which is alerting and ticketing mechanism that I'm using for my SOC lab. And then we have a SOC analyst within this SOC lab to remediate all the immediate threats and respond to cyber criminals. So what I actually did is I gave the power of MCP integration and AI to this SOC analyst. I've created one MCP integration for Azure and utilized already existing MCP integration for EDR and Zira. This model context protocol is fairly new and there are expected few errors, but I hope within this demo we don't encounter them. So let's jump to the demo. So within my SOC lab, I have this Agent 003 which is deployed on Azure and have Linux installed in it. This has the EDR and SIM agent installed on it and it is reporting to my SIM. You can see it's here. Further, I have a Zira setup where all my tickets get assigned to me. So let's go to cloud. So on the cloud, I will show you the integrations that I have created. You can see that I have a Jira integration, then I have a Azure security integration, and further to that, you can see that I have my SIM integration as well. So for the demo, I'm just gonna ask it how many vulnerabilities that are there in Agent 003. So it's gonna run all those queries at the background. It's gonna query the SIM and identify what is the system that is associated with Agent 003. As you can see, it has listed down few of the vulnerabilities. So the next I'm gonna do is like take an example of this and we'll try to create a Jira ticket. And maybe assign it to me. Now it's actually communicating with the Jira setup and we'll try to create a ticket. It may ask us for few of the permissions, but when you are actually creating the agents, maybe you can automate those as well. So here you can see that it has actually created a ticket for us and provided us with a direct link. So let's go here and see. You can see the ticket is actually created and it has all that information, the CVE ID, the severity, and the affected system. You can also see it has also added the descriptions and remediation steps as well. Addition to that, it also highlighted few of the references. Now the next thing that I want to show is like, let's see what are the tickets that are assigned to me. Within this demo, what I'm trying to do is, I will pick up one ticket and see if I can take any remedial action against that ticket. So there are 5 tickets assigned to me. So I can see there is one where I can see failed SSH attempts from this IP address. So as I have the Azure integration within my setup, the next thing that I can do is like I will try to create a block rule within NSG for agent 003. Now it is actually connecting with my Azure setup and will try to create a block rule for that IP address within the NSG, which is a network security group associated with agent 003, so that it can block those brute force attempts that are happening for that system. So you can see that it's already identifying the resource group and NSGs associated with that system. Now it's actually trying to create a block rule. You can see that it has actually created that block rule. So let's verify it. So if I go to agent 003 and within networking, I will go to network settings. So you saw how those MCP integrations actually work together. We have identified vulnerabilities and alerts associated with one system, and then we were able to actually create a ticket within the Zira. And from there, using MCP itself, we were able to take some remedial actions. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video and the demo and learned something new.